Ladies and gentlemen, we are not where we're supposed to be. I'll just go ahead and tell you that. So currently, I've not talked to you guys yet this morning, but currently I am in the truck driving to the put-in to practice for the first Kayak Adventure Series tournament, Soli Palooza, and I am currently following Mr. John Dalton and Jeff Little. And yeah, so I was the one in the lead, and Google Earth tried to put me on the other side of the river of where we were supposed to be at, and so totally screwed that up. So we are going back to where we need to be at. But yeah, we just drove onto somebody's property, not where we were supposed to be at all, down a dirt road. But hey, we're here now. We're gonna keep sending it. We're hopefully gonna get out here. We're gonna catch some fish. But what a way to start today's video. I'll introduce you guys to Jeff here in just a minute. Say hi to John once we get where we're going. But let's go see if we can find some fish and catch my first shoal bass this morning. So, gotta send it. All right, John, what kind of goose chase have you led me down here, bud?
You're the one that started this.
I'm
trying to fix the problem.
You did not.
Hey, I got us at a ramp. So
I wouldn't really call that a ramp, but that's a hill down to the water.
It said, hey.
Now, Jeff on the other...
You say boat access?
Jeff's really excited about it. He's like, oh yeah, let's totally just like go down this massive cliff right here.
Public boat ramp, okay?
Get muddy and bleed.
All right, I got you here.
John, you didn't tell me there's freaking alligators here, bro.
Hey, enter at your own risk.
Holes. That's right. That's right. Rednecks with guns. That's what made those bullet holes. Hey, and the best part is you're with two rednecks with guns, so we're going to be all right. I mean, just to look at it, that is absolutely gorgeous. Different kind of water than I have ever fished before in my life. I mean, it's kind of just crazy. I've never, I've seen rapids like this, but like just these rocks, the way this is laid out, the way this grass is laid out, I mean, this is just absolutely gorgeous, and I cannot wait to get into it and see what we can get done. So without further ado, let's get the old shoalie in the water and let's go catch a fish for which it's named after. There you go. Hey, I got my first shoal bass. That's awesome. I think that's a shoalie. Yeah, that's a shoalie. Heck yeah. And he wouldn't, I mean, you're not kidding. They are right up in the shoals. There's my first ever shoal bass, guys. That's awesome, man. Oh, that's so cool to me. Like, that's really cool to me because that's a brand new species that I've never caught before. That is really, really cool. Well, there you go. My first shoal bass ever. All right, buddy. Thanks, man. Heck yeah. Well, there you go, guys. My first shoal bass ever. Literally right up in the current. Like, that was different. Different than smallmouth or spots. That fish literally was as in the current as you could possibly be. Like, I mean, he was like up in the grass in the current, but he bit it hard too. That was a good bite. I mean, just blasted that little bitty bladed jig. So, heck yeah, that was fun. My first shoal bass. God, guys, this is insane. I mean, just look how insanely beautiful this is. This is crazy. This is very different than anything that we've got back at the house, and it is absolutely insanely beautiful. This is amazing. This is awesome. Hi. Huh. That fish flashed at my bladed jig twice. And then come out and ate my finesse line. Really? $18 1/4. Yeah. Yeah. Dude, it was funny. I threw my bladed jig in there and he flashed at it twice. And I thought, oh, that's a little bitty one. So I tossed that finesse worm in there and I was like, oh my God, that's so much bigger than I thought it was. All right, guys, let's get this one back. She's pretty, man. Get out of here. That's awesome. Well, hey, look who I found. What do you think, buddy?
It's been tough getting around. I've caught a handful of fish, 16s, 15, 16s. But I don't think we've really located where they're really thick yet.
Yeah.
Which could be right up here.
All right, guys. Well, after struggle busting my way all the way up through here, I finally caught one on the old D-worm. So he flashed at my bladed jig twice, and honestly I thought he was little, and ended up being that 18 and some change there. So yeah, there's another shoal bass. First real good bite that I've got, but just on that right there, a little bit Texas rigged finesse worm. So we're gonna stay after it.
Dude, I don't know. We'll figure out something.
Yeah, we gotta just figure out a little something.
It's whatever it is. If we only come here on half day, it's gonna be like hard to get in here, and
yeah,
it takes so much time getting around.
Yeah.
So if you do this kind of area, you almost want a full day.
Yeah. But the problem is with our full day is it's supposed to piss pour rain, and I'm just worried that we'll get down in here and it'll rain 3 or 4 inches and there ain't no getting back out of here. You know what I mean?
Long way in here.
Yeah, it is a long way in here.
Stepped in a hole.
There we go. That's a good one. That's a freaking big one, John, I think. Well, he ain't that big, but he's a good one. Heck yeah. There's another one. They want that finesse worm, bud.
Yeah. Well, when I started throwing, I've had way more hits. Like, oh, dang, see,
yeah. Yeah. There you go, guys. Thanks, buddy. Alright, guys, so here's what I'm throwing. It's a little 5.5 inch D-worm and natural shad. That's 3 bots right here in this one little area, which is funny. It's funny how a fish will give you a clue like that. That's what we mean by listen to the fish, and I listened to the fish in that instance. He slashed out at my bladed jig and I didn't get him, and so I switched over to the little Texas rig and started catching him. But there's a ton of fish sitting right here, which is just crazy. I mean, like, there's barely any water right here and there's fish sitting here wanting to eat, which is just, I don't know, this is different fishing than I've ever done. Like, smallmouth don't like this. You know, smallmouth, they want to be in the deep pools. Spots are the same exact way. They don't really want to live like in the current like this, but obviously these shoal bass are obviously a completely different species with a completely different set of, you know, habits and what they like to do. And look at this. Dude, that is crazy. I mean, like, dude, they're in nothing right there. Okay, come here. Come here. I mean, that's another decent one, dude.
Yeah, 15 inches.
Dude, that's crazy. They live in that shallow water. Oh, they took your whole worm. There you go, guys. There's another one. See how long this one is. So it's an 18 and some change, and then that's a 14 3/4. So not giant ones, but they're fish. But the problem is, if it starts raining Saturday, they could start eating fast. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I'm going spinnerbait all day. And I could get it.
Oh, I didn't even see that one sitting there. Got him.
Oh.
Dude, that was wicked. That was a wicked bite.
Did you keep on following it?
Yeah. That was awesome. Hey, did you get one? Heck yeah. Heck yeah, dude.
They are in this area. That's good.
That's awesome, buddy. Good work, man.
Good work to you.
Yeah. There you go, guys. That's awesome. Blew up on that jaywalker. Thank you, sir. Thank you. That was awesome.
You got a little bit of all those little minnows right there. Tiny little minnows.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
It's weird. God, did you see that?
I heard it.
Oh,
That's hit your face.
that was awesome. Hold on, let's catch him real quick. Because I knew there'd be one sitting right there.
It's crazy, these little pockets.
Yeah.
You don't even think it's
Yeah, we'll unjaw that mess here in just a second. Let's catch this fish.
I'm talking about time we get into our lunch break. Like getting a little anchor.
Oh, really? We're not going to eat it?
He hits that and he won't hit that.
I was literally about to pull my kayak right there and eat lunch, and like there's a fish like right there. That's crazy, dude. That is absolutely crazy. Like they live in nothing. Thanks, bud. Shit. Yeah, you're good. Okay.
See what's crazy is like that right there. But they could be up.
I mean,
there.
that is
like you
nuts.
don't think about that spot, and they could be sitting up
I mean,
there.
look at this, guys. This is right where I just got that topwater blow up. I mean, I love these fish so much. I love these fish so much. This is like my favorite fish in the whole entire world now. That's crazy. All right, let's relax and eat some lunch. Catching a few here, there, and in between.
And I still got snacks.
Yeah,
I couldn't eat that much. I was kind of. I only ate one sandwich with me.
How's that back feeling? Feeling better?
All right. Yeah. It's mainly I'm not, as long as I'm not keep dragging up the stream. That's the.
Yeah.
Start going downhill a little bit. It'll be easier.
It'll treat you a little better, right? Yeah, dude. But if you had a motor in some of that stuff. Dang, gone. I mean,
as Aaron said, he said he was amazed how much easier he got on a shoaly.
Yeah.
He said he was going up stuff he didn't think that he'd got up.
Where you wanting to go?
Now that I know,
Guess so is top water in here, see. Oh, dude. Hit again.
right here.
Right?
He followed my bait. All the down that grass right?
Yeah, hold on.
Go ahead. I'm going to change this out, so go ahead.
plenty. They want that, but not this.
What if I can, I know they're there.
There we go.
Oh, yeah.
That's a good one.
Ooh, that's a nice one.
Yep. Golly, dude. I know where we're coming Saturday.
Well, the thing is,
or Friday.
I think there's going to be, this is where I think the other guys are going to go. Marshall and a couple other guys, but I think it's worth coming here to find out.
Dude.
That is awesome.
Dude. That's a big shoal bass right there.
That's kind.
Hi. That's the kind you want right there, ladies and gentlemen. Hell yeah. Golly, what a pretty fish. Check that out.
Man, that was a cool topwater hit.
That's awesome. Girl, let's get you back, honey. Thank you, baby. That was awesome. Hell yeah. Dude, that was wicked. What a awesome bite. Get him, buddy. Get him. Get him.
That's a good one. I got my drag loose. That's a good one there. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Did you throw yours back?
Yeah.
Oh man, I was gonna get double.
Oh yeah, bro.
Oh man. Oh.
Yeah.
I've had, that's one of those lures that I've had forever. I'm like, one of these days. One of these days, this is gonna come in handy. That's a pretty cool way they're hitting that too. It's like,
Dude. Giant.
oh, double up. But mine's not
Is
big.
it big? No, it's not that big. You just hit it good.
All right, we're gonna leave this one
Yep,
alone.
we're done.
Oh my goodness, that was a 15 or 16. We could have had a solid limit just
Yeah.
right here.
Yeah, we're done
That's
in
a
this
16
spot.
and a half
Yep.
or so.
All right. Well, I believe practice here is over, my friend. Hey, good job.
Man.
Heck yeah. There you go, guys. Let him go. Get out here, buddy. All right, well, let's get the hell out of here then.
All right, let's just float down through here, throwing something big for just a giant. Just in case, like I can catch a
Yeah.
5 pounder or something.
I've seen all I need to see from right there. All right, guys. So me and John are gonna leave this alone. If you don't understand why, I know what you're probably thinking, Alex. Why aren't you just sitting there catching more fish? Because we're practicing for a tournament, and so 19 and a half, and then an 18 that John caught. That's really all we need to see here to understand that this is going to be a good spot. And so, yeah, we are. And again, my sinuses. We're gonna leave this alone. Start making our way back down to the boat ramp. Just check a few things. Like this right down here should fish almost the same, but we're gonna go check a few things on the way back down the boat ramp, and then get on back down to the Airbnb. So we're about to try to shoot this right here. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! That was awesome. Oh, that was like being on a roller coaster. Oh. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! That's fun right there.
I gotta lay in here.
God, dude, that's crazy how fast that thing is. How many props you carry with you? Well, there you go, ladies and gentlemen. We came, we saw, I wouldn't say we conquered, but we definitely caught some fish and we had a good time. Practice day 1 is done. We had fun. We just got re-rigged, getting everything put back into the truck, getting ready to go after it again tomorrow. A little scouting mission ended up being successful. We've got the float planned out that we want to do. We just got to go in and check it all on Google Maps and see how far it is, just to double check ourselves, make sure we're not getting into like a 12.5-mile float. But yeah, we're rigged, we're ready to rock. I'm so glad you guys watched this video. Be on the lookout for part 2, part 3, and possibly part 4, because we got another day of practice. We got day 1 of tournament and day 2 of tournament, and then all the other cool stuff that gets to happen, because this being the Kayak Adventure Series, Shoalipalooza Stop 1, we're doing check-in and awards at a theater. There's like this whole street fair. There's just all kinds of cool stuff. And I'm going to be up on stage with Drew some too, so you'll get to see my ugly face doing that. But yeah, as always, you guys are sweet, and thank you for watching.